See the nation paper, and the general, the 10 star one I represent. You know each and every time I represent, you know a loud explosion. I know from one day you must say, yo, you can't see the general with the 10 star one there. Here we are going. But there I hear that in a full effect. But right about now, people, before we go through anything, make a drop where them nav, and that a style and fashion. Here we are going. And the world, it's not a plan. Just look good enough and watch a franchise, the choosing one, the 10 star general. You know what already, you know? When I come for represent, full effecting man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me man, are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one by YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Here we go on nation people. Down to the kids love it. So you see anything where you do and kids run with, you're one of a kind. Them can't stop it. No lollipop thing in my game, no gimmicks thing dead around it. Every kid say watch. Watch. Which is right in a job eyesight. But hear me now, nation people. I see Vybz Kartel and Likkle Vybz. Drop a thing when near my love for you. Yo, the thing I punch in a different dimension. I want you to go check it out. Make certain you run up the views on it. And here we go on. Anytime you see it over Spotify, you know what to do with it, nation people. But here me I say, I see a bag of people on the internet. Zin? I say, well then, yo, a Gaza thing them I deal with right now. So a Gaza them say, them affiliation with the whole Gaza unruly or anybody where represent for the camp them where you know say, well then, a Gaza represented. Yo, I'm telling you something dog. I see most of the people them a go like say, well then, a mix up thing them like. When the man them put out the music like that, I nah soon I put so much energy in the music. You see what I say? Nah, in the people them where where they on people platform all like type up and all the go on with them thing. Una nah response to the music like that. Una nah stream and buy the music like that. So no gimmicks thing that in my game, yo, no for cut out on a lollipop thing right now, on a show pony thing, cause my sister a mix up thing on really like, on is not a really about no music. You see what I say? But here we go on nation people. From what year you have a lot of people on the internet around them more, but yo, them not see the world boss I get the views them normally like when used to get. We know say the world boss did forward out like 4-3 years ago and make people know say well then I be fucker reach him channel and even burn out YouTube for that. You see what I say? So we know that. So that are not really what we watch still, but like we need to put in some more streaming on the music. And we need to cut the music them because when the music them drop sometime $1 ad for them and not big. You see what I say? Yeah, but 2 more times people say, well then a Vybz Kartel that. So them things say, well then, yeah, the name alone and the strength and the energy of the world boss supposed to take every music through the winning post. More while we have to push out on the music them. You see what I say? Just like how the general push them out. So no joke thing in my game. So right now, I say when I go check out that thing that my love for you. You see what I say? Vybz Kartel, Likkle Vybz. Run up some views on it. Leave a comment there and make teacher know how you feel about the song. Because I know lollipop thing. The song a clap. No joke shit no that about it. That click wicked and McClackin. No lollipop thing now in my Game Nation people. You know I'm a represent already, man. A 10-star the general. You know what I mean? The people's champion. Yo, hey yo. A Gaza favorite. So let's make we get back to the Music Nation people and start give the music them a different type of look, both on YouTube and on Spotify. Because you know we think first class. Let me tell you something. A Gaza run dancehall, so we don't have to compete with nobody. You hear that? No gimmicks thing no dead about it. Let me tell you something. Me's not a vlogger. Regular on the hear me say, me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. No gimmicks things, no in my game, no lollipop thing, no dead about it. If you think I lie, me I tell you, go ask the world boss himself who in charge. You hear that? Me make you know what I go on. One general, 10-star, the choosing one.